Most of the time, we need to make modifications to our variables before analyzing data. This video will focus on transformations applied to individual variables, particularly recoding and computing new variables in SPSS. The dataset we used in the example is available in the video description. Now, we'll show you how to compute variables in SPSS, by using numeric expressions, built-in functions, and conditional logic. To compute a new variable, click Transform on the menu, then click Compute Variable. The Compute Variable window will open, where we will specify how to calculate for the new variable. In this window, we have the field of target variable, where we will enter the name of new variable, that will be created during the computation. The left column lists all of the variables in our dataset. We can use this menu to add variables into a computation, either double-click a variable to add it to the numeric expression field. In field of numeric expression, we will specify how to compute the new variable by writing a numeric expression. This expression must include one or more variables from our dataset, and can use arithmetic or functions. The center of the window includes a collection of arithmetic operators, Boolean operators, and numeric characters, which we can use to specify how the new variable will be calculated. For example, we wish to compute revenue per employees. Firstly, in the target variable field, type a name for the new variable that will be computed. In the numeric expression field, double-click the variable name of revenue, and click Operations Division, then double-click the variable name of employee number. Click OK to complete the computation. Finally, let's make sure that a new variable called revenue per employee was successfully created. We can find the new variable in the last column in data view, or in the last row of variable view. If you do not see the new variable, the computation was unsuccessful. Return to the compute variable window. We can see that the if option allows to specify the conditions under which computation will be applied. Click if to open the window of compute variable if cases. The left column displays all of the variables in our dataset. We will use one or more variables to define the conditions under which the computation should be applied to the data. The default specification is to include all cases. To specify the conditions, we will need to click Include if case satisfies condition. This will allow to specify the conditions under which the computation will be applied. The center of the dialog box includes a collection of arithmetic operators, Boolean operators, and numeric characters, which we can use to specify the conditions under which the recode will be applied to the data. For example, we will create an if statement that only calculate revenue per employees when employees more than 0. To do that, double-click the variable name of employee number, then click greater than, and click 0. Then click Continue. We can see that, in column of revenue per employee, cases having negative number have missing or blank value. While with the ones having positive number employees, values have been calculated. Note that when you specify a condition in the window of compute variable if cases, the computation will only be performed on the cases meeting the specified condition. If a case does not meet that condition, it will be assigned a missing value for the new variable. We finish here the video. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel. Also, don't hesitate to leave your comments, these will inspire us to create more videos. See you soon in the next videos.